Hey guys, it's Fabio, and in today's video we're going to be doing a live payout request with the trading pit. I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to take in order to successfully do a withdrawal. Now, as you can see, we're here in the overall accounts dashboard of the trading pit, and I have 5 past accounts. Obviously, 4 of these accounts are currently in their earning phase, meaning indeed that I have max allocation with this firm. Furthermore, I also have a past challenge which is ready for an upgrade. However, I cannot yet upgrade this account as I already have max allocation. Obviously, this is a good feeling, as I know that if I blow up one of my accounts, I straight away will still have max allocation, as I can simply upgrade this overall account. Now, with this specific account, we're going to go ahead and do the overall withdrawal. Now, as you can see, I have out of 5 trading days, 8. I've closed all of the positions. My reward frequency is set to every 2 weeks, so we're already at day 57 of the 14, meaning that I haven't really traded this account for nearly 1.5 months. And today, finally, we're at the overall payout stage, where we can request our first payout on this overall funded account. Now, the overall reward is set at 2.7k, so let's go ahead and request that withdrawal. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on the reward button. Now, as you can see here, I've already added in 2 individual crypto wallets from previous payouts, and what I can do is, if I want to add, for example, a different withdrawal method, I can click here and I can either decide to pay out by bank account or by crypto. Now, my preferred method of withdrawal is always going to be crypto, and then more specifically USDT. Now, if you want to, for example, add a different wallet, or let's say different crypto account, you can do withdrawals in BTC, Ethereum, XRP, USDT, Bitcoin Cash, and a variety of other cryptos. But my preferred method will just always be USDT. Now, what I then do is I can see here that the overall available profit is 2.6k or 2.7k. So I'm going to fill in the overall number, which is 2695.68. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press calculate. Now, as you can see, the overall reward summary here shows us exactly the total reward that we're entitled to, which is $2,134,000. There's a 20% profit share for the trading pit themselves, and there's a $20 transaction fee on crypto transactions. Now we're going to go ahead and request the overall withdrawal. As you can see here, just a confirmation. We press submit. And as we can see, the request has now been received. So that's how simple, pretty much just how to request an overall withdrawal of an account with the trading pit. And yeah, keep you guys posted on future withdrawals that I'll be making. As you can see, very simple process. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below.